INT-TSI keypad operating system update. Operation of the INT-TSI keypad is based on the Windows CE operating system. Periodic update of the system provides access to new features of the device. To update the operating system, the TSI Builder configurator must be used. You will also need a USB-RS converter and a network cable unless the keypad is connected to the network. Enter the control panel service mode and open the keypad enclosure. Then, run the TSI Builder. To check for updates, run the plugin installer. If any updates are available, they will be downloaded and installed. Restart the TSI Builder program. In the Tools tab, select the Update INT-TSI OS tool. This will launch the Firmware Update wizard, which will lead you step by step through the process. Initially, the program tells you how to prepare for installation. In the next step, it shows you how to connect a USB-RS converter to the keypad. Once this is done, return to the program and select the COM port. Then, power the keypad off and on. After the INT-TSI restart, the keypad network configuration window will appear. Connect your computer directly to the keypad using the network cable. If you do not use a switch or router, a crossover network cable may be necessary in some cases, depending on the computer's network card. Enter manually the keypad IP address and network mask. If you are using a router, you can select the DHCP function to automatically assign the IP address. Warning: in the case of direct connection to a computer, make sure that the address assigned to the keypad is in the same subnet as the computer address. After finding the keypad in the network, the configurator will start updating the operating system. After successful operation, the TSI Builder will display an automatic restart message. Then build a project from the beginning. To do so, right-click on the project name and select Clean and Build. When building the project, the update files will be prepared for synchronization. Move the updated data to the card. To do this, remove the microSD card from the keypad and insert it into computer's memory card's reader. A window will open to tell you that a microSD card has been detected. The name of the keypad from which the card comes will be highlighted in bold font. Click on the OK button to assign the memory card to the project. Information on the memory card will appear on the tree presenting the project structure. Synchronize it, or in other words, save the configuration. You will be asked whether you want to update the keypad. Click Yes to confirm your selection. Information about the process of synchronization will be displayed in the result window. Its successful completion will be confirmed by a suitable message. The memory card can now be removed from the computer and inserted back into INT-TSI keypad. After restarting the keypad, the update will be loaded. As a result of these steps, you get the INT-TSI keypad with updated operating system and project configuration containing new components.